decides to push suicide alone, going short, and the other guy decides to go long alone.
Without any flashes. Like
After winning 5 rounds in a row, trying to win the game, we are wasting time because you are unemployed, băga mi-aș pula în soră ta.
You are not trying to win shit, you are just
Unemployed shit.
We
Shut
won
the
rounds
fuck.
for you, animal, you did 0. You are 2 fucking monkeys, 1 babuin and 1 chimp. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then take mood and suck my cock, you fucking monkey.
Gear up. We are going.
Bots. 2 fucking bots. Don't
2
play
poor
this game.
bots, 1 Ukrainian, 1 Moldavian. They don't have anything to eat and they throw every round.
2 fucking monkeys. I mean, if you at least
Shut
play
the fuck
defensive,
up,
you
you
fucking
bullshit.
monkey, you cannot kill from behind. You have your aim like a donkey. Ukrainian bastard, piece of shit. Don't.
Bad flash, holy shit.
What do you mean, bro? It was flash,
Bro,
maybe guitar.
watch demo, okay? I tell
Okay.
you, bad flash is good for you. That I tell you.
Okay.
They was too short.
Thank you for info, bro.
Throw the game until the last round. Until the last round, he wanted to lose. Yellow, I hope you get banned from Faceit, bro. You are the biggest bot. You are the biggest bot. You need to play a little bit of Premier, bro. I don't know. I expect the rank reset, so you get rank 3. Fucking piece of shit. Moldavian shit.
But why you go solo long last round?
He's retarded. It's a only answer, bro. He's retarded. He
cannot-
and
he cannot
his
answer,
boyfriend,
bro.
small
Two
brain, bro. You
retards.
know small brain?
We just said we're gonna play late long, and what he did in the first
We
10 seconds, he
stay-
pushes without flashes on long.
We
like two
push, we
retards.
try to win round by round